How to clean gold jewels in 5 minutes. How to clean gold jewels in 5 minutes. Cleaning gold jewels is always a problem. We all want sparkling gold jewels, and that's why most of us prefer polishing jewels, particularly when it comes to functions. Here is an easy way to get clean gold jewels in a quick way. This is a way that doesn't cause much strain. You need not use a brush to clean, need not soak gold jewels in shampoo for hours together. Need not be worried whether it is going to have weight loss after cleaning. Take a white plastic or glass container so that we can see the dirt coming out of the jewel, and can be convinced that only dirt comes out. Pour 10 ml fabric bleach ALA onto the chain. ALA is only an bleaching agent. It does only oxidizing action, and we need not worry that gold will be affected. Gold is an inert metal, it will not react with ALA. Leave it for 5 minutes. You can see visibly the dirt coming out. Wash the chain with water and wipe with tissue or cloth. Now the chain is absolutely dirt-free.